Hey guys, it's Sophie and we're here with another TikTok challenge. I'll do it the whole way through with the music, then I'll break it down and then hopefully we can do it at the same time for you guys at home. Okay, so this one is called Check On Me. You might have seen it before, you might not, but that's okay. So I'll get the music started and I'll go over it with you. Challenge so far. So basically what you're doing is you're starting off in a squat position, so you kind of want, I'll try and show you a better angle, you want the weight of your feet to be in the back of your heels and not let your knees go over your toes, and then you're lunging forward, again not letting that go back over your toes, back to the squat, same on the other leg, and back to the squat. Then you were doing reverse, back to the squat, reverse, back to the squat. So speed up, that should be squat position, forward, back, forward, back, back, forward, back, forward. And then what you do is you jump out into a wider squat, again watching those knees, and you kind of twist your whole body with one knee in, and then do the same thing. But obviously just watch with your knees, you're not over twisting them and causing any injury. And then you're jumping down into a plank position, again flat back, belly to the spine, move to the left and then move to the right, and 2 push-ups, okay? So 1, 2. Now if you're like me, you're not that good at push-ups, you can just do taps. So what that looks like is you're in the plank position and you just bring one arm up to the opposite shoulder and then do the same, and that's you guys. I'm out of breath. I don't know about you, but I think we should try that all together. So if you've got any questions or you're not sure about any moves still, just give me a shout. Or even if you want to add your own spin on things and send in a video of you doing it, that'd be great. I would love to hear some ideas from you guys. But I hope you have fun doing it. Good luck!